Okay, so let's look at this example 2 and the limits of sequences, how to evaluate them. Here we are not going to prove the limits, we are just going to evaluate the value. So, but before we do that, we know that all these limits are based on the assumption that if the limit as n approaches infinity of 1 plus 1 over n power n is equals to e. We know about this assumption, so you keep it in your mind. Not only that, so this assumption we can write the equivalent of this assumption. We know that if so we can let y to equals 1 over n. Now as n goes to infinity, y will go to 0. So this will imply that the limit as n goes to infinity of 1 plus 1 over n all power n equals to e is equivalent to the limit as y goes to 0 of 1 plus y all power 1 over y, because here we can make n the subject, and when we make n the subject we have n to be equals to 1 over y. So this power here we are replacing it with 1 over y over here, and all this should be equals to e. So you take note of this one too. Aside this one, we also have this. So anyone that we see in our question we can replace with e. So now let's see. Our question is the limit as n approaches infinity of n squared plus 1 all over n squared all power n, which we can write as the limit as n approaches infinity of n squared over n squared plus 1 over n squared. All this, and this implies we have the limit as n approaches infinity of 1 plus 1 over n squared, like this. So you can let y to be equals to 1 over n squared. So this will imply that you have n to be equals to root of 1 over y. Okay, so this one is power n, like this, sorry, power n. Okay, so now therefore we now have the limit as and here too, as n goes to infinity, y will go to what? 0. So as y goes to 0, sorry, let me write it this way. We have the limit as n goes to infinity of 1 plus 1 over n squared being equivalent to n power n. Limit as y goes to 0 of 1 plus y all power root 1 over y, like this. And so this will imply that we have the limit as y goes to 0 of 1 plus y all this, then we have 1 over y all power half, like this. Okay, so right now we will now have the limit as y goes to 0 of 1 plus this all power 1 over y all of this power half, like this. Okay, but we know that the limit as y goes to 0, 1 plus y all power 1 over y is equals to e. Therefore, we have the limit as y goes to 0 of 1 plus y power this all power half being equivalent to, this one is e power half, and this is this root of what, e. And so this is our final answer. Kindly subscribe.